Cancers, hello, welcome back to my channel. And in case if you're new over here, hello, my name is Tarusha Saxena and I welcome you to my very beautiful world of tarot. Cancers, if you're new over here, then let me tell you that we share some very interesting weekly and monthly zodiac tarot readings on this channel. So if this interests you, go ahead and subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click the bell icon right there below to receive notifications about all my upcoming videos. And few disclaimers that this is an absolutely general Cancer reading for the upcoming month, and in case if it does not resonate with you, then don't forget to check out my other monthly readings for this upcoming month as per your sun, moon, rising and Venus signs. And also remember that since timing is fluid, all right, this is a timeless reading, and you, my dear friend, will come across this reading only when you're meant to watch it, irrespective of date, month, time and year. Whenever you come across this, it is going to be applicable for you for that upcoming month. All right, so without wasting much time, and by the way, I have cold, so if you see me wiping my nose with this, just excuse, no corona disclaimers. All right, so let's get started. All right, so I have all your cards laid out in front of me, and what I can for sure see is that this whole upcoming month is going to be about what you're trying to achieve, what you will be achieving, and also to me it looks like, kind of embracing some of the fears that you may have, if you can say that. So but anyways, nonetheless, whatever it is, it's looking to me like a very, very power packed month for you. So let's get into it and deep dive into what's there for you. The overall energy for you, first of all, I would like to share is the King of Pentacles, all right, and the Five of Cups. All right, so these two energies are telling me that with the King of Pentacles, what I see is that you're trying to achieve some kind of stability in your life. This stability could be in terms of finances, it could be in terms of your career, in terms of your personal life. So see how this reading resonates with you, and whatever I'm saying, how it kind of translates into different aspects of your life, whatever is right now important and going on, and see how it kind of, resonates in that particular aspect of your life. But you're trying to achieve some kind of stability, and you may have some kind of disappointments on your way. But what you need to do, one word of caution, my dear friend, is that don't focus on looking at more on things that you may have lost or you might lose on the way of achieving certain things in life, because what you don't get was not actually meant for you. And therefore, instead of looking back on things that you may have lost, try to look at things that you may be missing out looking at and which really are meant for you. All right, to try to see the right things in life and opportunities in life, all right, so that you are able to achieve the stability that you are looking in life, at whatever aspect of life you're trying to look at. To me right now, it is looking to me to be for monetary stability, financial stability, but somehow I am also feeling that this financial stability is somewhere also connected to your personal life, like, your personal stability, especially in terms of your relationship. And I'm talking about a very, very close relationship, like a relationship. All right, so now what I see for you is towards the beginning of the month. What I see towards the beginning of the month is some kind of spiritual interest is going around with you, Cancers. I see that you kind of feeling very calm and quiet, like a calm sea is what you're feeling from inside right now. But you're feeling like that for a reason, because you've been working hard and trying for things in life for a long time, and it's just that you've reached a point where you've done everything, you've lost a lot, you've gained some, and it's like, you're trying to now find deeper meanings in life, because right now what life is asking you is to kind of walk away from a few things that you may really, really love. All right, these could be lifestyle related things that you really love. It could be some luxuries in life that you may have to kind of have to walk away from for a while. It could be anything that does not solve its purpose in your life anymore. It could be anything which was very close to your heart at some point of time. It could be a material thing, it could be a non-material thing, but it could be a situation, relationship, a person, whatever it is, but you are required to walk away from it right now. And you are okay. You've reached a point where you kind of like trying to strike a balance between emotions and practical world, and you're okay with it. You've accepted that reality at this moment, at least right now, that you've kind of like numb. I'm not saying negatively numb, but you kind of like numb in the sense that I'm okay to control my emotions and lead a practical life. And you're respecting emotions and practical life both at the same level and trying to strike that right balance, because you've got the Temperance card over here. All right, so this card is trying to tell that you're trying to find that balance between the three-dimensional world and the non-3D world. Also, you're trying to find that balance between practicality and the emotional stuff which is going on for good. All right, and it is going to kind of prove in time that this particular balance is really going to help you in the long way. Second, what I feel is that you've got with the Wheel of Fortune card. Okay, there are some karmic lessons in your life which you are going through right now, and you kind of, because of your spiritual intuition, your spiritual inclination, your spiritual interest, you have that idea, and the fact that you're kind of realizing that you need to balance the emotional and practical aspects of life, that itself is a big proof. And the fact that you have accepted to walk away from certain things that you really love in life, the fact that you've accepted these situations so very well and you're like okay to take them on, proves that that this is probably, these experiences are coming to you, these understandings are coming to you for a reason, and the reason is that you need to learn something from what's happening right now with you. All right, and you're okay to learn those things and move on in life, because you're looking at the larger picture right now, and you're patiently waiting for the larger picture to show itself to you. All right, and the good news is, my dear friend, that the Wheel of Fortune card shows that this particular lesson, whatever you are accepting and learning right now, is going to pay you off, and pay you off pretty well. All right, towards the mid of the month, all right, what I see is that there is some kind of juggling that you will be going through. Okay, you will be doing this juggling. Could be either dealing with a lot of things. What I see in this situation, in your situation, is that you will be juggling finances, is what I feel. I really feel that you'll be juggling finances. And when I say juggling finances, means like you'll really be trying very hard to kind of balance things out in life in terms of money. All right, so there could be some to and fro of money that may happen, some inflow outflow of money that may happen. Either you may have to pay off certain things that you may have to pay, like there will be some finances that may go haywire in your life. So you will, but you will take good care of those finances, because you are a person of a lot of integrity. All right, so I don't know whatever the situation, monetary situation would be in your case, whoever is watching this, but no matter how dire your situation is, no matter how bad your situation is, you are a person of integrity, high integrity, and you will ensure that you work very hard to handle this situation. All right, and save yourself from any kind of future embarrassment, or anybody else from falling into any kind of embarrassment due to this monetary situation, if not immediately, at least in the near future. So and you may have some plan. Okay, so you are a very intelligent person. You do have some plans with respect to your financial situation, with respect to how to come out of this financial situation that you are stuck in, which you will be juggling. All right, okay, so you will have a plan. Only thing is that this plan is going to work real slow. All right, real slow, but this plan is going to work out. All right, so make sure that you keep working hard on this plan and don't deviate from this plan, because this plan is going to save your integrity and is going to help you get out of the situation that you are in right now. All right, second thing is that towards the end of the coming month, what I see for you, my dear friend, is that things are going to settle down for you. All right, first and foremost, most importantly, anything that is causing any kind of stress in your life right now, whether it is money, all right, whether it is relationship which are getting strained due to your financial problems. So all of those are, my dear friend, going to get resolved towards the end of the coming month, all right. So you can expect good amount of partnership, whether it is from your person or your partner in business or work, whatever it is. Things are going to get better even in your personal life and also on the work front. So whatever financial situation or plans you have as per with respect to your work and financial situation, do make sure that you work on that plan, and my dear friend, work bloody hard on that idea, because it is going to really get you out of it. On the way of working out that plan, make sure that in this plan, if you are faced with any kind of disappointments, all right, any kind of disappointments, make sure that you don't focus on these disappointments only. Allow yourself to just forget about what you have lost, and make sure that you look at the right opportunities which are right there, okay, waiting for you to look at them, because those are the opportunities which, my dear friend, are going to lead you to a stable future that you're looking at. All right, now this was your general reading and for the upcoming month, and now we will take up three ancestor guidance messages for you, that you can take as like three keys, or three wisdoms that will help you to kind of sail through the upcoming month smoothly. So ensure that you make note of these three guidance messages, because these messages are coming from your ancestors to make sure that you sail through the coming month as softly as possible. All right, the first message for you coming right here is track down your fears and desires. All right, so you need to track down your fears and desires. So if this money situation is something that really scares you, or this relationship situation is something that is really scaring you, where you might feel that you might lose this person or lose this opportunity of money, don't, okay. As they say that, some of the most amazing things in life always lie on the other side of fear. That's what it is. So please ensure that you track down your fears and desires, see that what are your fears, tend to them, and make sure that and understand what are your desires right now. If this is a relationship, if this is this money issue, if this is a career issue, and make sure that you do resolve it. All right, the next guidance message for you is be the light. Okay, be the light, which means that be positive, remain positive, because positivity is the only key which is going to help you sail through the situations and get you out of them very, very beautifully. The last message for you, and also, by the way, don't ignore that your intuitions this upcoming month are going to be very, very high. All right, so don't ignore your intuitions. The last message for you is let go of the need to be right always. All right, so sometimes it's okay to be wrong. You cannot be, no matter what you do, you will fail somebody at some point, at any point in time. All right, so don't always have the need to do the right things. Sometimes some things are to be done, and they are to be done nonetheless. So just go ahead, do your thing that you have to do, and go and just get it. All right, it's going to be a power packed month for you. Financial situations are going to get strained, but things are going to get better in time. All right, so this is your reading, Cancer, and I will see you very, very soon in my next video. If this reading did not resonate with you, don't forget to check out my other zodiac readings on this channel as per your sun, moon, rising, and Venus signs, and I will see you guys very, very soon. Until then, do take very good care of yourselves. Stay home and stay safe. Bye bye, Cancers.